Hello again, welcome sa aking channel, ang PH Goods TV. Hello guys, good morning, good evening sa inyo. At kung nasa lapalop ka na digdig, mabuhay ka. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa part 5 ng ating Labarin Challenge guys. Yes po, part 5 na tayo at ipapalo na natin to. Hindi na natin patatagalin, titingnan natin kung makukuha natin yun na yung jackpot. Bale, meron pa tayong 219,000 na holy stars. Subukan natin kung makakuha tayo. Ilang palo yan? 2,195 ta. Tara na. Kunin natin jackpot guys. Boss agad guys. Baka makuha natin 650,000 guys. Excited na ba kayo? Kutob ko makukuha natin ngayon yan. Nag-blessing pa nga. Nakaw. Yun na yun. 900. Visit. Mukhang malas yung unang goblin natin. Sa sunod na goblin yan babawi. Kutob ko. Ang part 5 na to guys, yung ibang part natin na andyan na sa YouTube natin, panoorin nyo at panoorin nyo kung saan galing yung ating holy stars. Napakadami.
Fancy another round?
Palo lang tayo ng palo. Nagtapap na naman guys. Kilala ko yung nagtapap na yan. Inalis nyo na yung pangalan niya, nahihiya na kasi siya. Pero kilala ko yan, kilala ko yung nagtapap na yan. Alam ko, kilala nyo din yan. Yun na yun. Kaya na siya pakita ang pangalan niya, guys. The Playful Devil. I know who's that guy.
Fancy another round?
I-hide his name. Kaya na siguro siya kakagastos niya. Lagi na siya na-trap. Okay guys, yan. Pala lang tayo.
Fancy another round? Fancy another round?
All is balanced, as I foresaw.
700k na halos patman na natin guys. Sana matali natin, no? Okay, blessing.
All is balanced, as I foresaw.
Okay, boss. Sana 700k na yan. Tayo na makakakuha sana ng 700k gems na yan. Sana. Tayo naman. Lagi na sila eh. Nako. Okay, boss, ulit. 731,000. Sana tayo makakuha nito, guys. Sana mag-jackpot na to. Kanina pa tayo dito eh. Bigyan naman sana tayo. Nako. Hindi tayo bigyan, guys. Tayo naman sana. Kanina pa tayong umaga. Namumuti na mata natin, guys.
Fancy another round? Fancy another round?
Okay, blessing.
All is balanced, as I foresaw.
Naku, may nakajakpat na agad. Wala na. Taga 1063. Wala na.
All is balanced.
Nakuha na
as
agad.
I
Naka times 10
foresaw.
siya. 8.9M siya, oh. Wala na. Magkano na naman panalo na natin. 37,000 na. Wala na. Umay na. Sana all.
That was fun!
70,000 lang yung laman ng pot money.
It's a dream.
Pag tayo nanalo, yun lang, awit.
Fancy another round?
None can defeat me.
Fancy another round?
Awit, pinaka-jackpot ng 11.1M. Sa times 10 yan. Balik na naman 15,000. Sunod tayo, hindi nakakuha. Sila nakakuha. Ano ba yan? Oh, elite na naman. Sila na naman nakadali. Sana all.
Fancy another round?
May 41 kingdom guys, nakakuha.
None can defeat me.
Sana all swerte. Tayo nga. May swerte naman sa food. Wood pala.
That was fun!
Swerte naman nila.
Fancy another round?
It's a dream.
That was fun!
None can defeat me.
Okay, wag ulit.
It's a dream.
Bigla mga tutubig.
It's a dream.
11 combo guys. 13, 14. Okay, 14 combo na blood.
It's a dream. All is balanced, as I foresaw.
That
Okay,
was
gano'n pa
fun!
tayo 119 times. Dami-dami ito guys. Hindi pa rin tayo nakaka-jackpot. Kanina pa tayo dito.
All is balanced, as I foresaw. It's a dream.
None can defeat me.
Okay, hindi
As I
nakita ang boss.
foresaw.
Nahiya na yung boss, guys.
None can defeat me.
All is balanced, as I foresaw.
Taas na lipat money natin, guys. 262,000. Yun, boss. Okay, mga kajakpat, guys. 271,000. Pwede yan. Laman siya na rin yan. Hindi natin kailangan mag-inart eh. Nako, yun nga lang, wala.
That was fun.
Okay, blessing. Blessing. By blessing ulit. Sunod-sunod ah. Libre yung palo, guys, yan. Di ba blessing?
Fancy another round?
All is balanced, as I foresaw.
It's a dream come true.
None can defeat me. None can defeat me. None can defeat me.
Okay.
None can defeat
Nakakanto,
me.
visit.
All is balanced, as I foresaw.
None can defeat me.
It's a dream come true. It's a dream come true.
Okay, boss. $900. Awit.
It's a dream come true.
None can defeat me.
30 times na lang. Bale, doon natin itutuloy ito mamaya sa ating pang 6. Part 6 natin ang labarit, guys. Baka doon tayo makaka-jackpot, guys. Until now, hindi pa rin tayo nakaka-jackpot. Try natin sa part 6 natin. Baka doon na tayo makakuha ng sun. Okay? Okay?
Fancy another round?
Bali, tingnan muna natin kung ilang gold diamond gems tayo. 110, kakaunti lang nakuha natin. Bali, doon tayo babawi. Maraming salamat, guys. Bye-bye.